Leading Job Mini Tutorial number 34. Easily import and process e-invoices. Mandatory in Germany starting in 2025, we show you how to process electronic supplier invoices in Leading Job. Start in the Supplier Invoice module and click on the Import e-Invoice button. The import interface will then open. Select the Import button and drag and drop the XML file into the Upload field. Then confirm by clicking on Import again. In the next step, check the invoice by clicking on Validate. This is how you ensure that all the necessary header data from the supplier invoice is available. If everything is correct, the imported e-invoice, including the services from the linked purchase order, will be available in Leading Job. Now you can continue with the invoice workflow as usual from delegating to authorizing. We continuously add more mini tutorials covering all Leading Job modules. Subscribe to our channel now to avoid missing any mini tutorials.